Today, we will show how to buy shares of DNO ASA, a Norwegian oil and gas exploration and production company listed on Euronext under the ticker DNO.OL. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. Always research risks before investing. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DNO.OL to locate the official listing. Verify the company name and exchange to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart provided by the platform. Confirm the issuer is DNO ASA and that the market is Euronext with ticker DNO.OL. Click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, carefully review the order details, and confirm the trade when you are ready. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade, your DNO ASA position will appear in your portfolio showing size and current status. A link to the example broker is in the description if you want to follow these steps.